In this video, I'm going to talk about the Nourishing Repair Oil. If you don't know who I am, my name is Elizabeth Steffen. I'm the creator of Elizabeth Steffen Cosmetics. Now, this Nourishing Repair Oil, I formulated this oil recently because I am over the age of 40 and I am starting to dry out. I'm drying out, but I still experience breakouts. So this oil is really great for women who may still have some hormonal breakouts as they're going through the aging process. The carrier oil is sunflower seed oil, which is very low in the comedogenic scale, which means it's very unlikely to clog the pores. It also has a blend of sea buckthorn oil, argan oil, and rosehip seed oil. And those three oils in combination with each other will help plump the skin, smooth out the complexion, and also help brighten the complexion. Isn't that what we're all looking for? I really love this oil. One of my favorite ways of using this oil is taking 2 to 3 drops of it, mix it with my moisturizer or a tinted sunscreen, and then you massage it all over your face first thing in the morning after you cleanse, tone, and serum, of course. And what you're going to be left with is a very dewy complexion. So if you want that youthfulness back into your skin, this is a great product. It could also be used at night if you want to use it at night. And hope you like the product.